Are you ready to find out everything there is to know about the top 5 high battery capacity drones? Well, you've come to the right place. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. The first product we are going to cover is the ATIX FPV Drone with 4K camera and Wi-Fi FPV Drone 120 wide-angle 4K HD camera and manually adjustable 90 angle, which captures high-quality video and clear aerial photos. GPS drone with camera. The optical flow positioning helps the drone achieve great performance in precise location and photograph, suitable for beginners and photographers. Easy to control. ATIX drone is suitable for beginner. Press the 1 key start/landing button. The drone will take off or landing automatically. Ricardo from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "Great for kids and adults, easy to control and great performance." Our next product comes highly recommended, the DRC-DE22 GPS drone. 2-axis gimbal and ICE. The gimbal and ICE technology reduces blurring, provides better image stability. You can create 4K/30 FPS videos with impressive stable and clear footage than any other drones in this sector. 5G HZ support up to 3,900 feet. FPV transmission, delivers live feed with 0 latency. 4K UHD camera 5x zoom. DE22 offers 4K Ultra HD image, 38402160p, with stunning clarity and deep contrast. Built-in Sony image sensor, 105 and 80 adjustable lens capturing a wider and clear view. 5x zoom gives you a closer look at a distance to get more creative shots. Kati from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Honestly, if you're not familiar with drones you can do a little research, but this really seems like the clear option to me." Our next product comes highly recommended, the Holystone HS200 FPV. Various features: altitude hold, emergency stop, 360 flip, headless mode and 1 key takeoff/landing can be realized on HS200. HD 720p FPV camera, seize the moment by a quick fob 120 wide-angle lens. Take an aerial video by this quadcopter and watch real-time images on your device. Melinda from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Great toy for my 6 years old, very sturdy." Omar from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Since the drone does not have a gimbal you will not get the super smooth video, but on the flip side of that, it gives a cool perspective like you are a bird flying." Next up we have the ROKO F11 Foldable GPS. The new package contains 2 batteries. If you receive only 1 battery, please feel free to contact us by Amazon buyer message. The 4K UHD camera infused with shock absorption reduces the blurriness, provides you clear and stable image, 4K/3840x2160p, through app. 90 adjustable camera with 125 lens can widely capture the view in every precious moment. Also, supports Advantage 5 GHz FPV, live video, transmission up to 25 FPS which brings a stable and smooth video and a wide range of 1,640 feet. Durable alloy brushless motors provides a fast, quiet while powerful flight, with level 6 wind resistance, speed up to 12 meters per second, double GPS system, one in drone and the other in the controller, activates the ability of pressure altitude hold and keeps drone move accurately, both of them combine together for generating stable images finally. Don't worry. We didn't forget to talk about the Super Endurance Foldable Quadcopter. It's less than 250 grams, so you do not need to register the drone or get a drone pilot certificate. FPV drones with camera live video 120 wide-angle HD 1080p. You can capture 120 wide-angle 1080p HD photo and video at the location you want. F89 has FPV real-time transmission through the app system. Photo, video with gestures automatically. Drone with dual cameras/optical flow positioning. The HD front camera and bottom optical flow camera are switchable, enabling you to have both wonderful real-time images from the sky and the terrain situation under the aircraft. It is an altitude hold quadcopter. All function automatic hovering, auto hover, altitude hold, first person view, FPV, 1 key takeoff and landing, 1 key flip and roll/follow me, trajectory flight, fly agilely and more. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 high battery capacity drones and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.